Greetings, Sam Moreau here. Together, we can rebuild Haiti. Share your innovative ideas for a safer, stronger future. Combit leve campe, call on your genius. No solution is too small or too bold. Whether you're a farmer, teacher, artist, entrepreneur, student, or elder, your perspective is vital. Let's reimagine Haiti's future by innovating in community safety. How can we protect neighborhoods and foster trust? Youth empowerment. What programs can create opportunities and hope? Economic revival. Ideas for jobs, sustainability, and local growth. Unity initiatives. Projects to bridge divides and strengthen solidarity. Your idea, our collective action. We're creating platforms, town halls, digital forums, and local committees to ensure your ideas are heard, refined, and acted upon. Together, we'll turn vision into reality. A united Haiti stands stronger. This is our moment to rise, not as individuals, but as a family. Let's honor our heritage of revolution and resilience by building a Haiti where every child thrives, every community is secure, and every dream has space to grow. Share your idea today. Visit our platforms, Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, or join a community meeting. Your courage to speak up is the first step toward change. Together, we are strong. With faith and solidarity, Samuel Moreau, spokesperson of Combit Leve Campe. Pass this message along. Every Haitian's voice counts. Share your vision on these platforms: Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok. Thank you.